The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dallas County and north central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County and north central Texas, Rockwall County and north central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles northeast of Sac City, moving south at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Sac City and Joyce City around 8:45 p.m., fade around 8:55 p.m., Rowood, Rockwall, and Garland around 9 p.m., Heath around 9:15 p.m., Sunnyvale around 9:25 p.m., Forney and Mesquite around 9:30 p.m. This will impact the following interstates: Interstate 30 between mile markers 46 and 66, Interstate 45 near mile marker 284, Interstate 635 between mile markers 6 and 26. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter and stay away from windows until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside.